Hello students, in PLSQL we can declare variables. Okay, so where we are declaring variables in declaration section, giving the name of the variable, data type, and also we can initialize the values. Okay, like this we are declaring variables in PLSQL block. Okay, so in PLSQL block we can declare variables of type columns of some type of some columns in a table. Okay, that type of variables also we can create. So the data type of the variable should be same as type of column which we are giving in that particular table. Okay, in PLSQL block we can declare a variables like this also, whose type is a variable in PLSQL block whose type can be same as a column in some table name. That type of variable we can create. Okay, suppose for example in MySQL we created a table like this. Okay, the table name is customer and we created ID, data type integer, name, varchar, age, address, salary which is decimal, and where ID is the primary. Like this we created a table in database. Okay, so here what is this? Type of ID is int, name is varchar of size 20, age is again integer, address character of size 25, salary is decimal. Like this. These are the column names and their data types. With some constraints we created a table. Okay, now after that we insert some values. Okay, here I am taking example one record I have insert. Like that you can insert any number of records. Okay, now what I am saying, in PLSQL block we can declare variables of type some column in a table. Okay, suppose we can declare a variable of type in ID in PLSQL block. So what is this ID? ID is a column of customers table. Okay, so if I declare a variable customer ID in PLSQL block, this is PLSQL block. In this block, in declaration section, I declared a variable customer ID. What this customer ID? This want the value which is same as the value in the customers table. So what we have to do, we have to, the data type of this customer ID should be same as ID of customers table. So what I am doing, I was creating a data type which is same as column in a customer table, so that the column ID will be same as ID in the customer ID is same as ID in the customer table. Okay, so this may avoid some conflicts. Okay, suppose if you want to increment salary of this if you want to increment some salary of this customer 1, so what we should have to do, if we write the same in simple SQL, we write update customer set salary equal to salary plus some 1000, where customer ID equal to 1. So if you want to write the same statement here, what we have to do, first we should know the what is the type of that customer ID, what is the type of that salary. So instead of declaring type here only, we will directly store the same type of value in the variables of a PLSQL. So what we have to do, we have to create a variable. We have to declare a variable of type column in that table. Okay, so how to declare that variable? We will declare variables in declaration section only. Okay, now here the column name is now variable name here is customer ID. Now I want to store ID of customer. Okay, so if I want to store this ID of customer, this column value, this customer ID should be same, then only it can store that type of value. So what I am doing, I was declaring the type of this customer same as ID of the customers table. So what I am doing, customers dot ID. What is customer? Table dot ID. ID in customer table. Of what type? Percentage type. Then it will store customer dot ID percentage type will be declared customer ID variable same as ID. That means what is its type? Integer. So here also it will make integer. Now suppose customer name. This is a variable in PLSQL. Now I want to declare this variable same as customer name in the customer table. So again what we have to do, customers dot, this is a name in the customer table. Okay, percentage type same as here also this name, the type of this variable is varchar 20. Now address, customers dot address percentage type. Here what is its type? Character 25. Here this data type is also character 25. Now these will store what type of values? Values of this customer of that column. So how to assign the values of this customer into these variables? We have to execute this statement in the executable section. So we have to assign customer column values into this variable. So how we will, by using select statement, we can assign the values of this customers table into this variables. Okay, select name, address, salary. These are the columns in the customer table. Into okay, where we have to store name into customer name, address into variable C address variable, salary into CSAR. Okay, now these values will be assigned, columns in these values will be assigned to this one. From which table? Customer, where ID equal to customer ID. So what is the customer ID here? 1 equal to 1. So what is the value of 1 here? Name is Ramesh, which is assigned to C underscore name. Next 32, age, no age. Okay, address is Ahmedabad and salary is 2000. Okay, the values of C name is Ramesh, address is Ahmedabad, salary is 2000. These are the values. Why? Here we are giving condition where ID means which ID? Customer ID equal to C underscore ID. What is C underscore ID? We are input value 1. Okay, now we are printing customer. This is a printing statement. Customer, here concatenating. Customer name means Ramesh from Ahmedabad. C address means the value in this one. From Ahmedabad, earns 2000 salary. Okay, like this we can declare, we can assign the values of tables, columns, values of columns in a tables from a database into the PLSQL variables which we declared in that block. Okay, so that the values of that table will be assigned to the variables. Okay, this is called percentage type, declaring variables to select the values of tables from the database into the variables in PLSQL block.